Good afternoon, and here I am at the Inglewood City Public Library at Manchester Boulevard in Los Angeles, California. And last week, in the same place, booth 5 at the Inglewood Library, I introduced the 15 by 15 matrix. Today, I'm continuing with the 15 by 15 matrix, which is a specialized matrix that has been proven to be a success in real estate, science, engineering, and medicine in the past. Yet this specialized 15 by 15 matrix, as you know, is a multiplicity of the 502 matrix. And that's the end. So let's start here with the 15 by 15 matrix here now. Just through the Professor Dolphy Gilpin here at the Inglewood branch public library in booth 5, second floor. And so let us now, last week we had a specific 15 by 15 matrix. Let us now do a generalized, we'll be referring to this matrix ever so often. So let's put now here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, and we'll just use, for this extra letter here now, we'll use like we're starting over, A naught. Put a naught at the top like an angstrom unit, but it's not an angstrom unit here. It's just to differentiate. And so here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 6 more to go. So let's start off with some Greek here now. Alpha, beta, delta. We're not going in order, just according to remembrance. And we're mixing it up with lowercase and uppercase. That we connect to delta here now. We have lambda. We have theta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And we have pi. Pi here is not representative of 22 over 7. It's just a letter here. Omega. And say del. We also use this one that we use every so often in mathematics, summation sign here. It's a Greek letter. We also have we use copper, but it's going to resemble a K there, so we're not going to use a copper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And let us bring in after this line some, say, Hebrew. Aleph, Bet, Gimel, Dalet. I'm just going to random some Hebrew letters here. Lambda, looking like a 7. let's say, yod, vav. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 rows, and now the columns. We're going to pair them off now. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Seven, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We're on 15 here already. M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X. And I'm just going to leave some dots here representing letters. Okay, we're going to fill these out with letters that could represent numbers, as in the specific case of the 15 by 12 that we formulate, and now the 15 by 15 generalize. As we said, it has been proven to be of longevity success in real estate and science, engineering, and medicine. So we are sigma here. We are going to drop in some aleph bet, gimel, dalet, a. That's Hebrew. Delta, squarely, and drop in this one. Notice that there's space in between these two, and there's no space in between that. Yeah. So it's going to be, or generalize, and let's fill this out with some letters here for the last one. Or rather, let's use A11, and A12, A13, and A14, A and A. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 15. All right. Later on, we'll use some specific letters here to represent our numbers. Right now, we're just doing a generalize, and it will be a little bit more complicated in doing the PDM processing and all of that. But I'll give you a hint. We could break it down into 3 5 by 12 matrix that is the 15 by 12, and for the 15 by 15, we're going to have some special characters here, some star characters, representing distinction or just star otherwise. But we'll show you later on how we're going to integrate these into the 15 by 15. Right now we're just generalizing, and the picture's looking a bit complicated at the moment and a little bit random, but we're going to make it more simpler as we go by. But as I said, the 15 by 15 matrix here, it's going to be a 15 cross 15 matrix, which has been proven to be a great success in real estate, medicine, engineering. So we're going to have it STEM and BESS application, and also in architecture, STEAM, STEAM. So we're going to have all the applications of 15 by 15 in this, and it's just an extension, a stochastic extension of our 5 by 12 matrix, a 15 by 12, and then a further extension into a 15 by 15, and you could call it a square matrix. It is a 15 by 15 square. So we will show you the application and the longevity in the success of this matrix in real estate. Medicine, engineering, and science. And for science, we have chemistry, physics, and mathematics are leading the way in the sciences. So this is just an introduction here to my 15 by 15 projected. It will get a little bit more complicated, but I will try to get now a projector, a real projector, and project this matrix 15 by 15 to focus on the success of this matrix. Also in economics, it has, because as you know, the E as representation in economics. So here we have it at the Inglewood Public Library, introduction to a 15 cross 15 matrix, 15 cross 12, which is integrated into this 15 by 15. So we could get a 15 by 12 out of the 15 by 15. 15 by 15.